just hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I received a special gift from my husband, and this is the DJI. Guess what this is? This is one of my dream camera for vlogging, and somebody surprised me. They said they will go to the toilet, but I don't know how he managed to buy this, but thank you so much. See? So I just want to show you my DJI OSMO Pocket 2. So this is the camera. Yay! And this is the DJI OSMO Pocket 2. And I think this cost, I think this costs 2,000 ringgit. Oh my god. Sorry about my camera, it's sliding. So, okay, thank you. So now I will do the unboxing. I will let you know what's inside. How can I open?
3 minutes later.
Here you go.
Oh my.
Leave it here.
I got it.
Here?
Top.
Here?
That's it.
No. I don't know how to open this. Maybe here, this side.
Sorry.
See?
That's me.
It said at the top.
Oh, I see.
So, accessories first. Accessories first, guys. So these are the accessories for... that's a lot.
Something dropped into your lap?
Huh? No, nothing. So, accessories. So, according here, there is USB splitter charging cable. So, you can use, this is a Type-C, no? Type-C and
Type A.
USB.
USB. 3.0.
And then there is a wrist strap. What else? This is, it's a smartphone adapter, USB-C. So let me just open it for you. Who's the vlogger?
Not me.
So this one. Okay. And we also have, what is this? So this is the microphone, wireless microphone, windscreen.
Goodness.
Yep. Okay. And then we have also adapter, smartphone adapter, lightning
For iPhone.
for iPhone, yeah. So there's for Android and there is for iPhone. Okay. And then we have it here, silica. No joke.
Do not eat.
Do not eat. I think this is for the microphone. I don't know what you call this. What is this? It's a mini control stick.
Oh yeah, cool. You can, if you're taking selfies.
So there is a mini control stick. And then else do we have? The last one. I think this is the wireless microphone. I know.
You see?
What is this? I know it's a wide angle lens.
Wide angle lens.
Yeah, it's a wide angle lens. Can you see me?
Alright.
So that's it.
Keep that nice and clean.
Yep. So that's their accessories. And now we are going to see the actual... Ooh, there's more here. So actually there's more inside. See? There's more inside. Oh no, wait. My phone. It's fine. Thank you.
Welcome.
So what we have here is...
Sorry, you're no longer in the frame.
What is this?
You see? It's a tripod mount.
Is it?
Goes underneath, so you can mount the
Yeah,
tripod.
so this is the tripod mount. So when you buy this DJI OSMO Pocket 2 Creator Combo, it has all the accessories you needed. That's what we like. And then we have it here.
It's your tripod.
Is it the tripod? Micro tripod. Oh my god, it's so small.
Yeah. So when you're at, that lies flat, and then this goes up and it doesn't fall over.
Like this?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
It's balanced.
Oh, okay. And then the next one, I think this is for microphone, right?
Battery. Well, that's the wireless microphone, yeah.
Yeah, so we have two of this. Let me just check what are this.
Charger.
So, huh?
It's a charger, isn't it?
This is a do-it handle? No,
That's a battery extender.
a battery extender.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is for the microphone. Yeah, wireless
Transmitter.
microphone transmitter.
Yeah. So you clip that on your t-shirt and you can hear everything.
Yeah. So you keep it here.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe. We have to check.
Yeah.
That's
So we'll check
interesting.
it later on. So I think that's it.
Yeah.
That's all the accessories we have, as you can see. And then now, let's go to the exciting part. Me, who's excited? Somebody's excited.
Right.
Ta-da! Oh my god!
It might take some work to find out how to open that.
Yeah, I think
Might be for another video.
nope.
Maybe press that at the top.
Help
Yeah.
me.
Go on, just pull it out.
This one.
Yeah. Pull that out. Open it like a knife. Yeah, that's it. Now you just open it from the middle. Yeah. Go on. There you go.
There you go.
That's
Our
it.
DJI OSMO Pocket 2.
Take off all the little bits.
So, can we open this? So this is the power button here. So let's press that.
Take off your protection first.
I'm a vlogger now.
Your
Oh my
screen behind
god. Huh?
you. That's it. Your screen is
Yeah.
powered. Yeah. Very cool.
So there's English and there
Do
is
the setup now.
Chinese. Yeah, but we need to set up first, so
Maybe do that through the instructions later or log it and stuff.
yeah. Anyway, I just want you to share this, another gift that I received, and I was really thankful. Thank you so much for my gift. It was really a surprise, and I really like it, and I really love it, and thank you so much for everything.
welcome. You
Thank
deserve it.
you. Wanna say hi to my vlog?
Hi.
The best. The
Whatever.
best.
Bye.
So, bye everyone. See you.